Hello Sokrates, today we discuss the main part of a safety is a safety helmet. The safety helmet are a personal protective equipment designed to protect the upper part of a worker heads from a falling or a falling object impact the burns and electrical hazards in a construction and the mining industry. Worker must be occupied within a safety helmet are designed to resist the perfections of a water and fire. When should a safety helmets be used? In accordance with the regulation of a safety law 3.36, safety helmet are a construction site main contractor's duty. A safety helmet must be worn at a construction site if there is a risk being struck on the head. This includes being struck on the head by a falling of an objective and hitting the head against any objective. Means that it will be clearly explained that the safety helmet is a protect the head and any falling object you have a don't know or you have a don't any type of a knowledge about that something maybe fall, so that type of a helmet is a protect your head from a falling of a object. In a construction industries or any other construction works, the work is already done on a heights, so you have to be carefully and wear the helmet to protect your head. What is important to wear the helmet? The helmet creates the additional layer of a head and thus the protector wears from some of the more serious forms of traumatic brain injuries. Or a helmet aims are to reduce the risk of a serious head and brain injuries by reducing the impact of a force or a collision to the head. It means it will be clearly that if any falling object has been hit to your head, means it will be create the brain injuries, and so you protect the you will be here wear the helmet, and then will be the risk you will be careful from a risk and their collision of a head. If anything will be fall, that will be hit to the helmet and then will be moved there here and there. That thing will not be hit to your head. How long do a safety helmet last will be at some how long do the safety helmet last? Means about the life of a safety helmet. The 3 years is the life of a safety helmet. Have a look at the date stamp or your hard hat. You must be surprised as a general guide. Industrial safety helmet should be replaced in a 3 year after manufacturers, but always check within the manufacturers what the manufacturer has been saying about that. Riders will be generally replace the helmet every 3 years to the 5 years, while some manufacturer will be recommended that you replace the helmet roughly 7 years after its production date. You can usually find the production date on the sticker underneath a section of a comfort layer. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me, and also if you have required any topic, please comment below. I will be provide as soon as possible. Thanks for watching my video.